Good morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. Okay, children. So this is revision. Okay, children. I think already you have completed the classwork. If you have not completed the classwork, see this one and complete the classwork. So now I am going to do revision. So if you have written in the classwork, please open your classwork and see there. This is lesson number 1. The lesson name is My Grandpa. Okay, children. This is revision. So don't write this one in the classwork if you have written. Okay, children. Now first main hard words. First one person. 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 Second one couple. 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 Third one tobacco. 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 Fourth one sunshine. 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 Fifth one interesting. 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 Sixth one grandpa. 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 Seventh one nicest. 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 Eighth one bait. Bait. Ninth one Caught. Caught. Tenth one striped. Striped. 11th one computers. Computers. 12th one understand. Understand. 13th one feeling. Feeling. 14th one favorite. Favorite. 15th one hospital. Hospital. Okay, children. So these are hard words. Okay, children. Next main question answers. Answer the following questions. First one, who does I refer to? Answer, I refers to the author. I-R-E-F-E-R, refer, T-O-2, T-H the, A-U-T-H-O-R, author. I refers to the author. Second one, how does author's grandfather help him in catching the fish? Answer, the author's grandfather helps him put his bait on the hook. T-H the A-U-T-H-O-R-S, authors, G-R-A-N-D-F-A-T-H-E-R, grandfather, H-E-L-P-S, helps, H-I-M, him, P-U-T, put, H-I-S, his, B-A-I-T, bait, O-N, on, T-H, the, H-O-O-K, hook. Third one, what do the author and his grandfather do on computer? Answer, the author and his grandfather play games on computer. T-H the A-U-T-H-O-R, author, A-N-D-N, H-I-S, his, G-R-A-N-D-F-A, T-H-E-R, grandfather, P-L-A-Y, play, G-A-M-E-S, games, O-N, on, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. Fourth one, what does the author's grandfather do day long? The author's grandfather stays inside the house and watches TV all day long. TH the AUTHORS authors. GRANDFATHER grandfather. STAYS stays. INSIDE inside. TH the HOUSE house. and WATCHES watches. TVALL all. DAY day. LONG long. Fifth one. Why was the author's grandfather taken to hospital? Answer. The author's grandfather was taken to hospital because he was not feeling well. TH the AUTHORS authors. GRANDFATHER grandfather. WAS was. TAKEN taken. TO2 HOSPITAL hospital. BECAUSE because. WAS was. NOT not. FEELING feeling. WELL well. Sixth one. What was the response of the grandfather when he saw the author? Answer. Grandfather smiled and hugged author's hand when he saw him. GRANDFATHER grandfather. SMILED smiled. AND HUGGED hugged. AUTHORS authors. HAND hand. WHEN when. HE SAW saw. HIM him. Children, so these are question answers. Next main, match the meanings. In A side they are given first one bait, second one stripped, third one sticking, fourth one fragile. So in the B side they are given marked with push a sharp object, easily broken, foot placed on a hook. So we must put numbers or you can match. Bait means, so in the B side in the fourth line it is there, foot placed on a hook. Second one striped, marked with. Third one sticking, push a sharp object. Fourth one fragile, easily broken. Okay children, so the numbers are 2, 3, 4, 1. Next line, write the opposites. First one fortunate, unfortunate. UNFORTUNATE unfortunate. Second one selfish, unselfish. UNSELFISH unselfish. Third one strong, weak. WEAK weak. Fourth one always, never. NEVER never. Fifth one necessary, unnecessary. UNNECESSARY unnecessary. Next main, write plurals of the singular words given below. First one glass, glasses. GLASSES glasses. Second one story, stories. STORIES stories. Third one fish, fishes. FISHES fishes. Fourth one hand, hands. HANDS hands. Fifth one chart, charts. CHARTS charts. Okay, children. So these are the plurals. Glass, glasses. Story, stories. Fish, fishes. Hand, hands. Chart, charts. Next main, rearrange the words to make meaningful sentence. So your words are unscrambled. So you must write correctly. Apple and is a fruit. So the correct sentence is an apple is a fruit. Second one, have I one sister. So the correct sentence is I have one sister. Third one, rises sun east the in. So the correct sentence is the sun rises in east. Fourth one, she good a girl is. So the correct sentence is she is a good girl. Okay, children. Now read once again the correct answer. An apple is a fruit. Second one, I have one sister. Third one, the sun rises in east. Fourth one, she is a good girl. Next main. Write feminine gender for masculine gender. So this is he and she. Okay, children. So they are given masculine gender. We must write feminine gender. First one, husband, wife. W-I-F-E, wife. Second one, king, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Third one, lion, lioness. L-I-O-N-E-S-S, lioness. Fourth one, man, woman. W-O-M-A-N, man, woman. So once again, I am reading that feminine gender. Husband, wife. Second one, king, queen. Third one, lion, lioness. Fourth one, man, woman. So next main, write the rhyming words. First one, glass. So for that rhyming words is grass. G-R-A-S-S, grass. Second one, kick. So for kick, rhyming words is lick. L-I-C-K, lick. Third one, told. So for told, rhyming words is bold. B-O-L-D, bold. Fourth one, sheet. So for sheet, rhyming words is feet. F-E-E-T, feet. So once again, I am repeating that one. Glass, grass. Kick, lick. Told, bold. Sheet, feet. Okay, children. So these are the revisions from first lesson. Okay, children. Those who have not written in the classwork, you can see this one and write in the classwork. If you have finished already in your classwork, you practice in the rough note 3 or 4 times. Okay, children? Any doubt, children? Okay. So, if you have finished in the classwork, you practice in the rough note. Otherwise, if you have not written in the classwork, you sit and write in the classwork neatly. Okay, children? Thank you.